吉祥光照，鸿运当头。3点鼻子，和谐幸福，万家。
The Dragon Boat Festival, the races. This is a traditional festival in China. So we want to take this opportunity to promote Uganda in China, to make Uganda more popular in China, to known by more Chinese. You know, we Chinese culture, Chinese history is more than 5,000 years. So we enjoy that old tradition very much. Dragon Boat races, this festival is one of the most important festival in China. So we Chinese are very proud of this history and celebrate until today.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.